Ever wonder how your local farmers manage to provide fresh, organic produce, all while maintaining a balanced ecosystem? Today, we delve into the world of small-scale farming to discover the secrets of this sustainable practice. Imagine the gentle hum of bees, the rustling of leaves, and the earthy aroma of freshly turned soil. This is the everyday symphony of life for our protagonist, a local farmer in eastern Ontario, Canada. Their 62-acre farm, of which approximately 3 acres is actively planted, is a testament to the potential of small-scale farming. The farmer's day begins with the rising sun, as they tend to their market garden. In their case, the farm is tended to prior to leaving for their full-time job. This is not your typical garden, but a carefully curated space, filled with a variety of vegetables and herbs. Each plant is selected for its compatibility with the local climate and soil, and the farmer's intimate knowledge of these factors is what makes their garden thrive. Organic methods are the cornerstone of the farmer's approach. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are forgone in favor of compost, crop rotation, and natural pest deterrents. This not only ensures the health of the crops, but also of the soil, water, and surrounding wildlife. Raising meat birds is another aspect of the farmer's work. Chickens roam within a space protected from predators, pecking at bugs and seeds, and contributing to the farm's ecosystem. Their welfare is a priority, as healthy birds produce quality meat, and their natural behaviors enhance the farm's biodiversity. Animals destined for consumption are given the best of care and respect. As Joel Salatin says, taking the life of an animal to feed your family must be done with reverence and respect. The farmer's journey is not without challenges. The unpredictability of weather, pests, and market prices are constant hurdles, yet the rewards are plentiful. Fresh, produce grown using organic methods, a connection with nature, and the satisfaction of nourishing their community outweigh the difficulties. To recap, the journey of a small-scale farmer involves a deep understanding of the local environment, the use of organic methods, and a focus on animal welfare. These elements come together to create a sustainable, productive farm that benefits not only the farmer and their community, but also the planet. So the next time you enjoy a crisp apple or a juicy tomato, remember the hard work and dedication of your local farmer. Their commitment to small-scale farming and organic methods ensures that we can all enjoy fresh, healthy produce while taking care of our earth. Small-scale farming may not be easy, but it is a labor of love and a testament to the power of working with nature rather than against it.